Very good morning, my dear lovely children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today's class, I'll teach you the important mains for periodical test 2. Okay, periodical test 2 will be there from next week onwards. Okay, so you have to do practice. You should do practice today itself. Okay, dear children. So this one is today I'll give you only 2 or 3 mains. Okay, so that it will easy for do practice. Okay, children. So what you should do? You have to learn and practice all the mains in your rough book, otherwise in rule sheets. Neatly revision, neatly write in one place. Keep one book for a periodical test 2 and write neatly all mains. Okay, in your revision book, so that you can easily practice. Okay, so here see children. This exam for 1 hour. Okay, only 1 hour timing is there, and exam marks is 25 marks. Okay, and periodical test 2 subject EVS. Okay na? So first main, what is the main is there? First main, match the following. Match the following alli ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to put numbers, otherwise draw lines to match the correct words. Okay, so ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? First you have to do practice how to read the words. Do practice the words. Reading practice. So dear children, first one, red light. Red light means what? Red light, stop. Okay, red light means stop. So in traffic lights there are 3 lights. Okay, how many colors are there in traffic lights? Traffic lights, 3 colors are there. What are they? Red, green and yellow. Okay, so in these 3 colors, red light, okay, red color says that stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Red light says stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Okay, so next one, what? Sharp object. Sharp object means blade, knife. Okay, now what you should do? You have to search the words which one is sharp object anta you find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here see, sister is there, grandfather, stop, knife. Yes dear children, knife, sharp object. Next one, aunt. Match the word to uncle. Next word, father. Match to mother. Easy irutte, but what you should do? You have to do practice. You should do practice daily. 3 mains you have to do practice. Next, sibling. So who are siblings? Siblings means our own brothers and own sisters. Okay, nam sonta brother and sister ge navu sibling antivi. So own brother and own sister. Yes, here see, our brothers and sisters. This one is correct. Next one, grandmother. Grandmother match to grandfather. Where it is grandfather? Illide 7. Next, cousin, children of our uncle, aunt. Okay, cousin brother, cousin sisters irtaralla. So cousin andre children of our uncle or aunt, ಅವರಿಗೆ cousin ಅಂತೀವಿ. Next, play in the park dear children. Next, police station. Where it is? Police station, here it is. Okay, So over. Next side, next page. Doctor. Who is doctor? Doctor walks in. Okay. Doctor treats for injury people or ill. Okay. Who are not well. Okay. So those people treated by doctors. So 11. Hospital. Doctor works in a hospital. Next, postman, post office. Next, groceries, market. You will get all the groceries things. Okay, fruits, vegetables, everything in the market. Next, teacher. Who is teacher? Teacher who teaches you many subjects. Okay, so teacher works in a school. So 14. Next, zebra crossing, to cross the road. To cross the road only on the zebra crossing. Next, green light. Green light. Sorry dear children. Green light go barutte. Sorry. Okay. So next, red light. I forgot. Stop. Okay na? Red light stop and green light, okay, says go. Okay, then yellow light, slow down. Okay na? So doctor, now dear children, over no, this main over. Okay na? This main over. Completed this main. Next main. Next, missing letters. Write the missing letters. This one is also very simple, very easy. What you should do? You have to learn the spelling of these words, dear children. First word, safe. Safe spelling enide S-A-F-E. Safe. S-A-F-E. Safe means what? To stay away from danger. Okay. So S-A-F-E. Safe. Next, fire. F-I-R-E. Fire. F-I-R-E. Fire. Danger. D-A-N-G-E-R. Danger. Okay, nandralli fill in the blanks nanu onagi kodtini, but you have to learn all the spellings. Okay, so D-A-N-G-E-R. Danger. Utensil spelling what? U-T-E-N-S-I-L. Utensil. U-T-E-N-S-I-L. Utensil. Next, sibling. S-I-B-L-I-N-G. Sibling. S-I-B-L-I-N-G. Sibling. Family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. Cousin. C-O-U-S-I-N. Cousin. C-O-U-S-I-N. Cousin. Uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. Next one. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Next one, doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Park. P-A-R-K. Park. P-A-R-K. Park. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Next one, stamp. S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. Next, postman. P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, man, postman. P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, man, postman. Neighborhood, N-E-I-G-H, B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D, neighborhood, N-E-I-G-H, B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D, neighborhood. ಈ ಥರ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. Okay, so next main, for second main also missing letter also over. So next main, what dear children? Fill in the blanks. So people living in a family take dash of each other. People living in a family take care of each other. Care ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, so next, parents of our parents are our dash. Parents of our parents, so ajja ajji alva, so grandparents. Okay, next one, in a dash family only one of the parents stay with the child or children. Single parent family. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರಷ್ಟೇ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಥೀವ್ಸ್. ಹೂ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಥೀವ್ಸ್? ಪೊಲೀಸ್. Policemen protect us from thieves. We go to dash to study. We go to school to study, dear children. ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅವರ್ ನೇಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ವಾಟ್? ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅವರ್ ನೇಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್. ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆರ್ ಡರ್ಟಿ? ಕ್ಲೀನ್, ರೈಟ್. Next, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Next, safety means stay away from what, dear children, tell me? Danger. D-A-N-G-E-R, danger. Our mother and father are our what? Parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Police protects us from thieves. T-H-E-I-V-E-S, thieves. Next, a dash delivers letters to us. Postman. Postman is a person who delivers letters and parcels to us. Next, so fill in the blanks also over. Next main, write true or false. True or false? The child of our aunt is our cousin. So statement is sentence is true sentence. Okay, true sentence means write true or tick mark, and if the sentence is wrong sentence means write false or wrong mark. The child of our aunt is our cousin. Yes or no? Yes, true. ಓಕೆ, ಆಂಟಿ ಅಂಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕಸಿನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಮದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸಿಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಅವರ್ ದ ಮದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ is this right? Mother of our parents? Oh, grandparents. So this one is wrong. Okay, so this one is wrong. Children should not play with matchsticks. Okay, correct. Children should not play with matchsticks. Next, traffic lights are put up in park. Yes or no? No, in road, not park. Okay, so next, we should not play on swings. We should not play on swings. Yes or no? We should not play on swings. No, so this one is wrong. We should play on swings. Next, all children leave their grandparents. Yes or no? No. Some children live with their parents. Okay, so all children live their grandparents means is not correct. Okay, so wrong. We should take care of our family members. Yes, this sentence is true sentence. The first name is also called the family name. Is this right or wrong? Wrong. Okay, the first name is also called the family name is wrong. The last name is called family name. The doctor works in a post office. Is this right, dear children? No. Doctors work in a hospital, not in a post office. We should keep our neighborhood clean. Yes, this one is correct. Police keep us safe. Yes, this one also correct. So this much is enough for today's class, dear children. So do practice well, and if you have any doubts, just call to me in the evening time. Okay, I'll explain once again. So see you again in the next class, dear children. Till then, bye. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.